Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer from Robinhood to Palmpay wallet. So in this video I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide, so watch to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to open Palmpay wallet and copy your Solana address, then open the Robinhood app and log in, then enable crypto transfer if not already enabled. Then go to the account type, then tap on crypto transfer and complete any necessary verification. Then after that, tap on transfer, then click on send crypto, then select the Solana as your cryptocurrency. Then from there, paste your Palmpay wallet address, then ensure you use the Solana network, which is very important. Then enter the amount of the Solana you want to send. Then after that, double check the address and the network. Double check your address, which is wallet address you copied from your Palmpay. Then check the network. Make sure you are on the Solana network. Then after that, confirm the transaction and complete any security check set by the app. Then from there, wait for a few minutes for the transactions to process. Then your Solana balance should update in Palmpay wallet, and that's just a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer from Robinhood to Palmpay wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.